Do you want to speak English and you don't know how to practice at home? Well, today's video I'm going to tell you my 30-minute English practice. Yes, and what I do in this 30 minutes, I will tell you. For those who don't know, then hi everyone, this is Rutuja and welcome back. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I divided my 13 minutes in three parts. And what I do in these 10, 10, 10, like total 13. What I do in this, I will tell you. In first 10 minutes, I do speaking practice. Yes, I speak English. And what I speak English stories like a novel, and I have some English book as well, so I try to read them and I speak. Yes, just like speaking help us so much to improve our English. If you are a complete beginner and if you don't have any kind of English book, then you have your English textbook. In your college, in your school, you have your textbook, then just read that aloud. It is not important that what are you reading, but reading is very important, so make sure that you will read at least for 10 minutes. So make sure that you will speak English at least for 10 minutes in a day, because speaking is really important. And if you have very busy schedule, then please take out some time, at least 10 minutes for English. And if you do this, then your English will improve. Okay, so the second thing is which I do, listening practice. I listen English for 10 minutes and I will suggest you what you should listen. You should listen English podcast. And if you are not interested in listening podcast, if you want some energetic, like enjoyable something, then you can listen English songs also. We have so many songs in English. I'll share this. Like these are some songs which you can listen and you will understand, because these songs are very simple and very easy to understand. I will share the picture here. And if you are complete beginner, then if you start listening English songs with these, then it will really help you. So listen English as much as you can, and listen and try to understand, not just ki laga diya or sun diya. No, if you are listening, then you should know that what is the meaning of it. Okay, so listening is also very important, and take out some time for this as well. Okay, so the third thing is thinking in English. It is also a very important part of English learning. If you want to speak English, then thinking is very, very, very important. Yes, you'll have to do it in anyhow. Whatever we think right now, we'll have to think that in English. And how to improve thinking in English, then there is also solution. What are you thinking right now? Just tell me in the comment section first. What are you thinking? That how I will learn English? आप यही सोच रहे हो कि मैं इंग्लिश कैसे सीखूंगा, तो बस उसी को ट्रांसलेट कर लो इंग्लिश में. How I will learn English? Like the same you think in your native language, like the same you'll have to think in English. Okay. So it is not a very big thing to do. It is not any complicated that I can't think in English and all. You can do everything, just you are not trying. Okay, so keep thinking in English. It will help you so much to improve your English. So at least take out 10 minutes for this thinking in English. And thinking in English is also very important, because you can't think, then you can't speak. Okay, so it is also a very important thing in English. So you'll have to take out some time for English. And especially these 30 minutes I divided and I practice my English like this way. Okay, so this is how I practice English for 13 minutes. And if you are also learning English and you don't have time, then at least you should take out some time, 30 minutes at least in a day for English. Okay, because we all know English is very important in this generation, so we all have to speak in English, and we all will learn English. Okay, so please take out at least 30 minutes in your day and learn English. जो भी मैंने अभी आपको बोला है वो सभी चीज़ें आपको करनी है. If you follow these 30 minutes plan, then your English will definitely improve. Okay. So make sure that you will follow these 30 minutes and you will improve your English. Okay, so this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video and enjoy it too. Then let me know in the comments, would you like this video or not? And let me know in the comment this as well, that what you want to watch the next. So that is for today. We will see in our next. Till then, bye.